prepared.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with warm holiday greetings, we welcome you to Buena Vista Street and invite you to share in our new holiday tradition. It's time for our merry ring-along, sing-along to light our Buena Vista Street Christmas tree.
Well, hello, everybody! Happy holidays! How are we all doing this evening? Well, that is splendid. So glad to see all of those faces. That's right. Join us, folks. We're going to ring in the season and light up our tree. Oh, hot dog, I'm so excited. All right. Well, season's greetings, everyone. I'm Bobby, and we are the Buena Vista Street Community Bell Ringers. Yes, that's right. Every night before the stars shine bright, we like to gather around with all of our neighborhood friends. Just like you nice folks. And look at this. We got Mickey Mouse, everyone. Everyone say hi, Mickey. Hi. You look swell. Oh, and you brought your good pal, Goofy. Glad to see you, Goofy. I heard you had the honors of putting that star way up high on that tree. Well done there, sport. Oh, and then there's Calvin, our nice cop. How are you, Calvin?
Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you. He's always telling me about how he meets so many nice citizens out here on Buena Vista Street. Oh, and there's Donna with your beautiful little pup. How are you, lady? Oh, wonderful. Will you tell her I said yappy holidays? Oh, Fifi, I'm so glad you're here. Could we have you take a photo of us, please? She's our talented artiste. Smile for the camera. Oh, I love it. Oh, and how could we forget Molly? Molly working so hard, delivering all of those cards to Santa Claus. Keep up the good work. Atta girl. Well, gosh, everyone's here. And we've all come to Buena Vista Street with hopes and dreams in our hearts, just like you nice folks. You know what? The holidays is the perfect time of the year for joyful thoughts towards everyone, don't you think? And what could be merrier than a good old ring-along, sing-along? That gives me an idea. We should do a ring-along, sing-along. My favorite, Deck the Halls. Now, don't worry if you don't know the words. We'll sing the words. You just sing the bottle laws. Sound good, everybody? All right, here we go. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Good job! 'Tis the season to be jolly. It's Jingle Bells. Join us.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bell to ring, making spirits rise. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Here we go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Good job.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, I must say you all are fantastic. Oh, did everyone hear that? It's time to light up our tree. Okay, everyone. On the count of three, we're all going to shout Happy Holidays. 1, 2, 3. Happy Holidays!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Well, may this season bring joy to everyone. So from all of us to all of you,